After turning on the Dillon Quick Balance, you want to first push your wire button, and then you'll have your choices of your cables, and you can scroll up or down to highlight the cable that you're going to be putting the Quick Balance on. Once you select that cable, you poke the enter button. Now, as you can see, the 1/2 inch 8x19 cable has been selected. After selecting your cable diameter, if you need to zero the unit, you can push the yellow 0 key. It'll ask you, do you want to zero the unit? And you can pick yes. And now the unit, as you can see, has been zeroed. Now we're ready to enter the balancing mode. The balancing mode will allow you to get the total weight of the car and also balance out the cables above your car. To enter this mode, you hit the yellow button below the word balance. Now the instrument will ask you the number of cables that are above your car. You can enter anywhere between 2 and 16. For today's example, we have 4. So 4 is displayed, we'll just hit the enter button. As you can see, now it will prompt you to put the Quick Balance on your first cable. To install the Quick Balance, you want to rest your cable in the radius of each of these 2 outer shivs. And then bring your lever around until it is fully engaged. After you've installed the unit on the first cable, there's your live reading. And now you can just push the capture button and hold the load steady for 6 to 8 seconds. And now it has captured your first cable. Push the next button and it's going to go to cable 2, so now you can remove the unit and install it on your second cable. After you've captured all your cables, you push the done button, and now you can see on the display it shows you each individual cable's load or force and the total weight of the car at the bottom. Now if you press any key to continue, it will now tell you which cable is off. So for in this example, it says cable 2 is 12% off, and it wants you to install the unit back on cable number 2. Now I've installed the unit back on cable number 2, and the display has went to a pass-fail display mode. And as you can see, there's an arrow, and now you want to make your adjustment on the cable, and you can see that the load will actually fall within the white window. That's where you want to make your adjustment so that the arrow falls within the white window. Once you've made your adjustment, you can poke a button and recapture cable number 2. And it will recalculate all the loads or forces on each cable. Poke any key to continue. Now the display shows that all cables are within tolerance, and your balancing is complete. The Dillon Quick Balance will dramatically increase your technician's efficiency, improve safety, and reduce customer downtime.